Hi, my name's Chris Piper and I've been playing drums about 29 years. I play in lots of function and covers bands, but I also play in an originals band called Sweet Mischief. I play the Collision Drumsticks, the 7ARs. I play these because I really like that they give a little bit of extra length over the 7As. I also love the fact that they seem really durable. Collision seem to have lots of choice. No matter what sticks you want, you'll seem to find the right ones for you. They're friendly and they communicate really well, and they are great value for money. The song I'm going to play is a song called Hope by my band Sweet Mischief, and this is our latest single and it's available on all streaming platforms. Thank you.
So what you waiting for? Well, you've been knocking on every door for a long, long time. And time is two hands on an endless dial. No enemy, no friend of mine. We're like partners in crime. And we sing loud, we sing proud. We sing it for everyone who wants to be free. So drive, I'm giving you the steering wheel. We're heading out with an iron wheel, and it's an open road. So let's fly. We're spinning into the evening sky. The clouds clear, it's a glorious sight. And there'll be love tonight. If we sing loud, we sing proud. We sing it for everyone who wants to be free. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Yeah, sing it for everyone. For it's a challenge to cope, so you gotta have hope. Sing it loud. Well, alright. We'll sing it louder. Alright. Well, I'm here. Sweet Mary Jane, release my fear. So in my sleeve I wipe my tear. I see I'm not alone. So hold tight, because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. The turbulence may give you a fright. The roller coaster of life. Sing it loud.